but this is closed. This is like trail.
Like a trail up
Yeah,
the
this is
mountain.
trail.
I can't believe
Here
you.
during summer, this is open. You can see this one up close, like the closest you can. Or if you will go hike, you can see it somewhere.
Mom.
But this is the valley. This is where we're going. You see, there's another falls here. The lower and the upper. This is another falls. I think this is no one.
That one, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, I
this is the
see.
one. And there's another falls here.
Ay, marami pala.
Maraming falls yan.
Wow, this must have taken a while to me.
This is what we see
You see
right there.
those ice, melted ice from here.
Oh, we're all the way here. The X. Mom.
Yeah? Ay,
Kasi sa Pilipinas, meron bumubuhok. Mga bato na uhulog. Oh!
Try to assassinate.
Who tried to assassinate you?
Oh, di ba ang ganda na ikaw? Ganda ng kuha. Di ka nag-solo.
Hindi, okay lang, te.
Ha?
Okay lang. Hindi, okay lang.
Mommy, the punch on attack.
The pine cone. Pine cone. Ano ba yun? Pine cone. Ha?
In the west.
Where are we right now? The west, yeah. Mom and Diamond sound like we
Oh my gosh.
trying to.
Bridge, Bridal Veil. Bridal Veil
What?
Falls.
But the U
Prince of Lost.
Oh, I haven't read it
What the
before.
heck?
There is the Bridal Veil.
Veil.
Bridal Veil Falls.
Hindi. Tumarin sa akin eh.
Napilitan ka lang kasi pinush kita.
Napilitan naman. Pero ginawa ko naman.
Basta ka pa.
Walang madugo na ano yun, ma. Madugong...
Hindi nga, babayaran mo nga yung babae.
Asan si Marcos, be? Get your jacket ba?
Maybe we left him at the top over there.
Ha?
Oh, dang it.
Okay lang, te. Meron kami. Ikaw, ma, gusto mo jacket? Ah. Okay ka lang, be?
Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang ako.
Okay lang daw, te. Ang si mama, te. Wag lang tayo lalapit. Cos? Huwag ka mang bato. Mama yung ibang matamaan mo, ha? You might hurt someone. Nasaan ka na? Mr. Falls. Dinediretso ko tong video eh. Pinuputol-putol ko lang. Sige, te. Sige lang, te. Ako ay nagbi-video. Te? What is it? Anong shortcut?
Guys, shortcut.
Huh? You wanna go there?
Shortcut.
You'll get wet.
I don't wanna. Ay, dito ka na, oh.
Ay, may batis, oh.
Yeah, you want to.
It's misty. Guys,
That's how they manufacture it.
what's going on, guys?
He's attacking me. He's violent.
He called me Kung Panda.
What's going on?
Big. He hasn't had his 5th snack for today, so he's hangry. He's only up to his 3rd.
Seriously, Marcus?
You
I'm gonna disable you.
want
Paralyzed.
you gotta take one.
Paralyzed. Oh no, that boy done on the ground. Oh, he nasty. Oh boy.
Dad,
Madumi yung tubig, hindi ba?
hindi naman. Oh, guys. Cost no throwing, Marcus, ha?
Let's see how far it goes.